Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. If you're using any phone or PC and you want to transfer your Spotify playlist to your YouTube Music, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your browser. In browser, you have to look for a website which is TuneMyMusic. You have to simply search for TuneMyMusic. Once you have searched, you will get this website. You must have to open that. Once you have opened the website, you must have to select the Spotify first because we are trying to transfer our Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. So first of all, you have to select Spotify from here. Once you have selected Spotify, you have to log into your account. In my case, I'm going to continue with Google. And here you have to select your account. Once you have selected, you just have to tap on agree option and your account will be logged in. Once you have logged in into your account, so what you have to do now, after that you have to select your YouTube Music option. Simply select that option, and here you have to paste or copy your music playlist or URL. You must have to paste that here. So in this way you can easily transfer your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.